Wow guys, this is the Dunwoody Way. What a floor plan that Pulte and Webb are offering here at Carolina Orchards. And this one has a particular level of satisfaction for me because all the way from helping to find the lot to all the way to getting the front door painted, I've been intimately involved with this house. I want to show you this because you may want to buy a Dunwoody Way. Kind of a common phrase in my household now. I'm a Dunwoody Way guy, and my wife is a Tangerly Oak girl. But I'll tell you what, there's something to love about this particular floor plan. And this one just turned out fabulous, all the way from the floors, to the way that my clients picked out their backsplash, all of it. Gorgeous. So let's go in and take a really good look at this plan. You come in to the right, we're back at the front door, and you've got this study that's really for people that are working from home or people that want to have an extra reading room or an extra TV room. Having this right off the front is really powerful. This one is a 3-bedroom, 3 full bath house. So you've got a narthex going in, and here's a front room. This could be a workout room for you, and put a treadmill in here. Of course, you've got plenty of treadmills up at the Carolina Orchards Amenity Center. I was in there yesterday, and man, are they using that. It's nice. But I'll tell you what, this is just special in so many different ways. Now, let's just say, you do notice this is an ensuite full bath, right? So if you are trying to move south and you have a mom or dad that just doesn't want to leave Cleveland or Indianapolis or, wherever, then they've got their own bedroom and their own bath combination, which is pretty stellar. I just love all these windows in the back, and I do want to go out to that porch, but I'm hankering to get into the master bedroom. Again, carpet is beautiful. Now, when you build a new home, you probably know this, you can configure it with whatever you want. You want carpet, you want brown, you want gray, you can configure it however that you want it. But I'll tell you what, this Dunwoody Way plan, now they got the framed mirrors as opposed to the glass. And look at this shower now. That transom window and just beautiful, the window seat. Wow, it's just nice. Commode room there. And then a makeup table. I'm glad, and don't read anything wrong into this, that we have a makeup table at our house. It's nice. I like it. My wife likes to be able to sit down and to get gorgeous. So this is a big room, Dunwoody Way. So this is the second bedroom, the master and full bath. And then there's one more I want to show you. But look, when you come out of here, look at that floor. It's gleaming. It's gorgeous. I mean, this house, by the way, when you buy yours, I strongly suggest that you get that floor outlet there. It makes life quite a bit easier when you are trying to position maybe even a recliner with a motor on it, right? So it's great. By the way, my clients strongly suggest that you buy the window blinds, or we get them as an incentive because the price is right. Don't you love this screen porch? I do. Man, very nice. Screened-in porch and plenty of space, and they opted for some pavers. Really, really nice, guys. Wainscoting here in the breakfast room. Now, I want to show you one more bedroom, and something that was interesting, how you can easily miss details. But if you build the house, and again, I'll tell you that Carolina Orchards was really good about helping us with this. The Webb folks. Now, by the way, punch list stuff, don't be too concerned when you see tape on the wall. They've come back to fix, and that's what they're doing. But here's what we noticed. This is the third bedroom. It's got, it's not large, but guess what? There was no light in the closet. Now, it's funny how I don't think about that stuff too much, but at the pre-construction meeting, we were able to shift a couple of things around and move a light from hither, thither, and thon to that room. And that makes all the sense in the world. So that's a question when you and I get together to help you find your perfect house. Maybe it's here at Carolina Orchards or one of the other great 55-plus neighborhoods in the greater Charlotte area. Let's do some talking about lights in the closet. 704-345-3400. That's my cell number. I sure would love to be your buyer's agent. These folks found me on YouTube, and the fact that you're watching this now means that, hey, you've discovered me on YouTube as well. And it's very satisfying to go to a closing and all the way from the lot selection to the closing to be involved with these people. I love what I do. I can't wait to talk to you.